good morning or good afternoon, because I'm actually filming this the day before for the day after. I think you get the idea by now anyway. So we are in day 4 of Steam Week, and I'm running out of superlatives, to be honest with you. I'm running out of words to say how creative, inspiring, independent you all have been. Everyone from year 1 right up to year 6. You guys have just been phenomenal. I think I've used that word quite a few times now, to be honest with you. Phenomenal. Phenomenal. But you have been. Yeah. So I'm going to give you housekeeping first. Then I'm going to move on to the Key Stage 2 part of this, because, again, years 3 to 6. Years 1 and 2, fantastic. Years 3 to 6, just as fantastic. On Thursday, and this is what I would absolutely love, is that I'm going to be doing a live celebration assembly, okay, on Zoom. Details are on the Steam site, as per usual. I'd love everybody to come on and show me what you've been doing, okay? Even if you're a little bit finished, halfway finished, you might have 2 projects finished, 3, 4, it doesn't matter. I would love you guys to come on and show me, and show everyone else, what you've been doing, okay? You'll be able to share your screen, so you'll be able to share your videos, you'll be able to share your presentations, you'll be able to share your websites, you'll be able to share your YouTube videos, you'll be able to share your well-being, like crafts and projects. So if it's a physical thing you've made, I've seen some awesome puppetry, I've seen some awesome slime if you've still got that. If you haven't eaten it, yeah, I see the ones that have been making the Starburst slime. Nom, 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 nom. So today, coming up, we've got Miss Laura again, making an emotions jar, which is very, very simple, but again, a nice, effective way of managing your emotions when times are a bit tricky. And following that, Mrs. Berry is going to be, I don't know what Mrs. Berry is doing, to be honest with you, but it's something to do with music. And what rhymes with music, or what alliteration? Madness, musical mayhem, musical mischief, all of the above. Who knows? So join us from 1 o'clock for those live streams. Just a couple of other things. Please get your work onto Padlet. Padlet! Because I can see all your work in one place then, okay? It's been lovely receiving things on Google Classroom and emails, but if it's in Padlet, it's in one place. If you're having difficulty uploading to Padlet, please let me know and I'll help you. Because it's just a lovely platform for everybody to be able to see what everyone else has done as well. And you can comment on other people's work, and you can comment and say, and rate them and say, oh wow, this is like amazing, you know. Because I know that's how you'll talk. So yeah, I've just been buzzing this morning, just looking at everyone's work. It's just been brilliant, it really has. Key Stage 2. I have tried to collect so many different pieces of work. So I think I must have, on years 3 to 6 Padlet, probably, I don't know, over 100 pieces of work. I'm not sure how many I'll be able to fit into the next sort of 3 minutes. Here goes nothing.
Okay guys, this is my village I made. Okay, now there are these apartment blocks. I'll show you what they look like inside.
Yes, this is my brother's tour. As you can see,
There's a heart here.
This is me and my brother's Minecraft world.
And let's
get
go.
right into it.
This is the parrot. And these are the parrots.
My Steam project. What I have been doing on my Steam project is making a well-being world in The Sims 4 and a little bit in Minecraft.
simple slime because I didn't have all the ingredients, so I made my own slime.
First, you want to get your starburst. Then you want to put it in a bowl that you don't want. Start peeling them, and then melt them in the microwave.
I smell it. It's tasty. I think it's gonna taste good.
Today I'm going to give you a video for Steam Week of my cat house I made.
Hello, and this is how to make a bird feeder. Hope you enjoy. This, you'll need string. Then you need to tie a string around the top of the bottle.
Today I made a recyclable bird feeder. And you have to do a sound. What's the first sound in boat?
Okay, I've decided that I'm going to do one of the STEAM activities too because I don't want you to have all the fun. And I think I'm going to do the random act of kindness one. I'm Miss Elliot.
Oh, hi Miss Ray.
I just wanted to tell you that you're really funny and you're a very good friend of mine.
Oh, thank you. That makes me feel really good.
Great. Oh, hey Miss Brockus.
Oh, hi, Miss Red.
I just wanted to tell you that I think you're really pretty.
Oh, thanks.
Wow, we've got Jedis, Patty, Minecraft. You go with all those STEAM activities.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about the songs that make me happy. It's Bohemian Rhapsody. And again, I don't call it Bohemian Rhapsody, but I call it Mamma Mia.
Okay, so remember, Padlet, assembly on Thursday, Padlet. Don't worry about if you don't finish it. Padlet, Steam site, Padlet. You get the idea. Obviously, specialists are still available to chat on for today between 10:30 and 11:30. It'll probably be the last day we are available. Most of you will be wrapping up your projects, so we are going to get the assembly ready, and all the specialists are hopefully going to be there on Thursday just to say a few words about a couple of the projects that have stood out for them. We'll try and share as many of the projects as possible, but it's all about you guys being online, okay? Being on the Zoom chat, and I'll give you more details about the assembly tomorrow's video, which is actually 2 days' time. Oh, I'm confusing myself. Good luck, guys.